I started a hosting company back in the year 2000, and we were doing everything with Linux servers from the beginning, and that was a new and special thing. So other hosting companies started buying consulting from us. So then at one point we split that off into a separate company, providing expert services around Linux servers. That's how Seravo came to life.
We got questions from our existing clients about WordPress and WordPress hosting, and took that opportunity to create WordPress hosting and Upkeep service for everyone. We're all about making WordPress run as best as possible, and that includes everything from the servers to WordPress itself, its database, and themes and plugins. We make sure that your website runs as smooth as possible.
We have our completely own architecture, server environment that is built from the ground up specifically for WordPress and WordPress performance. The server environment really is optimized on the level that's beyond and below WordPress. It would take me all day to explain all the security measures we do, but the most important thing is that we provide a security guarantee. And that means that the customer is not responsible for the security of the site. We only require the customers to maintain a good password hygiene. That means that they don't leak their passwords and they choose passwords that are complex enough. The rest is something we take care of.
We monitor your entire site. If it goes down, there's a person going in and checking it out. We keep everything updated, WordPress core, plugins and themes. And we also have a very comprehensive process around managing the updates, which I would say is unique.
In this environment, you can be constantly innovating, and we learn a lot from the customers, how they are using the systems, what are their needs, and what will be their future needs.
We help our clients by being a partner that they need. Our customers, they're very good at what they do, obviously, right? They focus on their customers, they focus on how to grow their business. But often the knowledge around technology is something that is not on top of their mind. So that's where we come in and can provide that expertise and partner with them and help them to excel with their own opportunities that they might have in their own field. Hosting and upkeep, to have your site working, it's not something you go around and think about every day. It's just something that needs to work.